Beautiful hair is hair that does what you want it to do, that shows who you really are, and that can change just as much as you change every day.
Welcome to Pantene.
Have you ever wondered how to get overworked, overprocessed, and overstyled hair back in shape? We're here in Mason, Ohio, learning all the ins and outs of Pantene's intense rescue shots. So good at rescuing hair, they noticeably repair damage in just one use, turning dry, brittle hair soft, shiny, and more resilient.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ginny Thomas. I am a scientist with Pantene, studying what people use and what we need to be developing to meet the needs of women around the world. Pantene's Intense Rescue Shot came about because we're seeing so many more women want to play with their hair. So colors, different styles, day in and day out. It's a really deep treatment. It restores hair, it can repair extreme damage so that it can free you up to play with your hair the way that we know so many women want to do.
I'm Stephanie Riley, and I work here in the Beauty Microscopy and Imaging Lab at the Pantene headquarters. Some of the research that we do here with Pantene is we actually look at a wide variety of hair. And the reason why we do that is because each woman will actually have a different experience with the products that we formulate. Once we have the sample on the inside of the microscope, we'll actually use the instrument at various magnifications. And we use that in order to see what's happening at the cuticle edge of the hair so that we can understand how the products either deposited or were absorbed into the hair.
My name is Dr. Sherry Swanson. I have a PhD in biochemistry, and I work on the formulation and products research part of Pantene. We do a lot of interaction on the formula itself to get it right for each consumer. Very thick, luxurious formula. When you squeeze it out, it's really thick and cushiony, but when you start to use it, it breaks down in the shower. The special parts of it are the lipids. So your hair naturally is made of protein and naturally occurring lipids. However, those are very fragile. And if you do damage to your hair, and that could be coloring or cutting it or brushing it, you might destroy those lipids. By putting lipids back into the formula and redepositing them on your hair, we can restore what you naturally had, which makes your hair feel better.
I'm Dr. Kristina Ganzel. We test on a multitude of different hair types and textures throughout the world so we can develop the best product for them. This is our inner fiber friction test method. You have two pads that have the surface energy of skin and the suppleness of skin, and essentially they're pressing against the hair that's on the instrument and sliding it back and forth to look at the friction. With the Intense Rescue Shot, you're gonna have a lot less friction on the hair and it's gonna be a lot softer and smoother. This is our triple comb instrument, and what it simulates is the combing either of a wet truss or a dry truss. And you're looking for things like how hard is it to comb through the hair, and can I get conditioning all the way to the tips?
Hi, my name is Steve Hendricks. I'm a senior scientist in beauty measurement sciences. I measure how products interact with humans' hair. I do research on every hair product you can think of from around the world. So this is wavy, frizzy, moderately damaged hair. It's got some physical damage to it. It was originally treated with just a shampoo, and then combing through this hair can be really difficult. I'm actually bending the comb more than no human being would actually do this to themselves. So this is without the product, and this is actually very concentrated. So if I take just a little bit, and then I just milk it in for 30 seconds. And then not only should I be able to take my coarse comb straight through, but also the fine tooth comb, and it's completely combable.
Thanks for spending the day with us, learning all about Pantene's Intense Rescue Shots, their most powerful repair product yet. Thanks for watching Refinery29. Click here for more videos and click here to subscribe.